Hello everyone and welcome to class. In this Excel class today we'll talk about Vlookup, cross-referencing Vlookup and Hlookup, which are very popular built-in formulas in Excel and has a variety of uses. Vlookup stands for the word V, vertical lookup, and this is applicable when we have a very large data set. Let's assume you have a company with over 1,000 employees. You have a lot of employees, and probably you want to check for their performance in a month, like we have represented by this data set. You also have a sample data of this. I think we use it in the second, third class, and if you can't even find it, I will drop this data set for you. So what I advise is follow it exactly. Just open up your laptop, then let's do it together. That's the best way to understand it. So we have a large data set. Now we have a table of salesperson, ID number, date, sale amount, and commission. So let's imagine that I want to find the commission of a person in this list. The list is almost 1,000. For example, to find the commission of each person might be difficult, but if I create a formula here, I can be able to change the names. Once I know the name of the person, tap in the name and to bring out the commission of the person. So that sounds like magic, but it's not. So let's start away. Remember, it is vertical lookup, so we're going to check it vertically from top to bottom, checking it and checking the range to see the commission of this particular person. So we use the formula Vlookup. How do we do that? Remember, when we are starting with Excel formulas, we start with the word equal to. So put equal to. So I've brought it out. The name I want to use, salesperson here, Ali Freeze, and this is the commission that we want to get. So alright, is equal to. I'll use the term Vlookup. When you write VLOO to bring out Vlookup for you, double tap on this Vlookup. So it's giving you the formula suggestion, and we're going to follow it exactly. Vlookup is telling you the first thing is to look up value. What is the lookup value? We're going to check that out. Next is the table array. We check out the table array, the range of values you want to use. The column index number, we're checking it column. Remember, we've done row and column before. Column is top to bottom, row is left to right. We check through the column to see the number of which it falls, then the general range, then we put maybe a true or false or close up. So let us start it. Start it with me right now. To look up value is Ali Freeze. So I'm going to pick this person beside me. Note this person here, Ali Freeze, the salesperson. That's the look up value. And I put my comma. The table array, where's the table? This is a table here from all of this place. So there's a shortcut to get a table array. It's either you just drag all side, but the shortcut is using Control Shift down. That means using your arrow key down. Then don't take your hand away from the arrow key. Control and Shift together. Control and Shift. Let your hand be there. Then put side to pick up everything. So from top to bottom, as long as there are numbers that pick up, you can now drag up back like this. So once it has picked it up, it has picked up the range. So the range starts from B3. You can see that that's correct. B3 and goes all the way to F24. That's the last number. Or we can even write it out by ourselves if you know the beginning and the end. A comma. The next is the column index number. So we are going to check through the column now. We are looking for the commission. So this is salesperson is column 1, ID number is column 2, date is column 3, sale amount is column 4, and commission is column 5. So we are looking for the commission for this guy. So we are going to write 5. Then put a comma. Then it's asking you, do you want an approximate match or an exact match? I say I want an exact match. Why? Because I don't want something that looks like. I want an exact. So just tap on false or write false there. Then you close the bracket. Once you close the bracket, press enter. Can you see that's giving us the value of Ali Freeze? Is that correct? Ali Freeze commission is 1239. Extremely correct. But this is not where the juice is. The juice is, let me say I want to change the name of this person to Nora Rollins. So I just type the word Nora, then Rollins, Rollin. So I know the name of the person. I press enter. It has given me the value of his commission. Nora Rollins is having a commission of 592. Can you see that's correct? That's correct. So Alia Alia, ALIA. So ALIA. That is B what now? B16. Alia Thornton, like this, THORNTON, Alia Thornton. All right, I think that spelling is correct. Press that, you can see Alia Thornton. So that's the correct answer, 953. See it, 953. So you try it on your own and check it throughout. Use as many names as possible to do. So make sure you get the name correctly, because it is working with exact match. That is for the salesperson and the commission. So in case I'm looking for the sale amount of the person, let me just type sale amount here. Sale amount of the person. Same thing I can do is inheriting the same. Inheriting the same thing. Sale amount, I just need to say is equal to Vlookup, double tap. What are we doing? Lookup value, this same person, Alan Thornton. Table array, remember it's all of this. I'm just dragging it now. I'm just dragging it now. Okay, let me move the arrow up, comma, column index number. Now we're looking for the sale amount. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 4 is the column index number 4, and that is column index number is 4. Then I'm using false exact match. So I close the bracket and press enter. So it has given me this value. Let me press my accounting formula dollar. You see now, that's 4764.24. that is the Alien Thorntons and what now? Alien Thornton is here, so it is correct. It's correct. If I want to go further to look for the ID number, so I go with the same formula, is equal to Vlookup, double tap, lookup value, the same person, range, I can just write the range by myself, B2 colon B24, H24, sorry, H24. Is that too much? No, not H24, F24. Sorry. Hey, mistake. Is equal to Vlookup, double tap, range, the lookup value to B2 column, I think that's F24. Yeah, I'm correct this time around. Column index number for ID 1 and 2, comma, the exact match, double tap, then close the bracket and press enter. So this is ID number for Thornton is 7863. So it's actually inheriting the same thing. So let me just remove the column, the decimal. Yeah, good. This is the ID number. That's correct. So if I try it for any other person, Nyla, that's for B5, Nyla Novak now. Can you see that automatically it has brought out all of the details for this person? So that's a very nice one. That is using VLOOKUP. So let me go ahead and start with Hlookup. Hlookup on the other hand is horizontal. So we are going from left to right, unlike from top to bottom. But we are using the same method but using a different formula. So I'm bringing out my salesperson here, Alice fees for example, and commission here, and I'll say is equal to, all right, Hlookup. Lookup value is this person here beside me, Alice fees, comma. So what's the range? Oh, so the range, I don't know, it's far here like this. So what I can do is I can use my control shift down, control shift side. That's gotten the whole range for me. So let me just move my arrow back here to this side. Don't touch any other side of the body. If you touch inside of the body, it's going to scatter it. So just move your arrow to the left or the right, comma, row index number, row, ROW, not column. So row is not going from top to bottom, it's going from side to side. All right, so top to bottom is 1 2 3 4 5. Side to side is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5. So for commission it's still the same thing: row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, and that is also 5. Range lookup exact match, correct. Double tap, then I'm gonna get something 1239. That's correct. That's for Alfred's 1239, correct. So if I change the name to anybody, Divine Eyes, or let me see what name is here, Jonah Higgins, So I would like you to do this as an assignment. Try as many names as possible. This is correct. Jonah Higgins is correct. 2093. So the same way I have the commission, I can also have the sale amount here. Sale amount. What am I going to do? Same formula is equal to Hlookup. Oh, do we even remember that range now? I don't think we remember the range. I'll store it now in my mind. So I'll still use this control shifts. So the last one here is then I put a comma. So that last one there is X6. Can we see it here? X6. Okay. Row index number for sale is 4. 1 2 3 4. Then comma. Yes, we are doing exact match. So we have this, press enter. Yeah, so this is correct. Let me remove the good. So I have sale amount, so I can continue in the same order. And ID number, the same thing is equal to Hlookup. I think that one was X6, something like that. So this is the first one, B9, comma, yeah, so we have the range from B2 column. I think that was X6, if you are correct, X6, I think so. Yeah, I studied it and I got it. I'm good. Clap for me. Then we have row index number, ID number is number 2. Then we have exact match false. We close the bracket, then we press enter. So we have this. Then we can easily remove, make it whole number. Okay, so that's correct, and we are done. Let me just put background color to this. How do I do that? I come in here, look for the blue. I think this is the blue. That's the blue. Then I'll turn the text to white. Text to white. Just look for white. Text as white. Turn this text to white. Text as white. I think this is, it's not so similar, but close. All right, so this sale amount, let me put a dollar sign here. A dollar sign. Sale amount for Jonah Higgins. Jonah 10467. Let me remove the decimals. So change the name. Kennedy, the first one. Kennedy. So the scene that the name is not complete, I use exact match. So Kennedy Singh. Now it's complete. Everything is done. So clap for me. All right, thank you for joining this class. In the next class, we'll talk more on Excel and how to use some basic functions in Excel. Till we meet in the next class. Have a wonderful day.